Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Unity car. Rolls-Royce has always been a symbol of luxury, and the 2025 model continues this tradition. This time, Rolls-Royce has not only refined its classic design but also transformed it into a masterpiece with modern technology. Today, we will discuss the exterior of this car in detail, analyze it from every angle, and understand why it is considered one of the best luxury cars in the world. At first glance, the 2025 Rolls-Royce commands attention. Its front design is absolutely unique and premium. The traditional yet modern grille, known as the Pantheon grille, has been introduced in an even more refined manner this time. The edges are finished with chrome, adding to its royal appeal. At the center of the grille is Rolls-Royce's iconic Spirit of Ecstasy emblem, which comes with an auto-retract feature, meaning it automatically retracts when the car is turned off. Talking about the headlights, Rolls-Royce has once again used the latest laser lights, which not only provide better illumination but also enhance the style. These headlights come with new generation DRL's daytime running lights, giving the car a distinctive presence at night. Additionally, a Vista View LED projector is installed, ensuring excellent visibility in the dark. Looking at the car's side profile, it is much longer and more elegant than any ordinary sedan. Rolls-Royce has introduced new alloy wheels in this model, measuring 22 inches with a special aerodynamic design, reducing air resistance and ensuring a smoother ride. The side profile also features coach doors, meaning the doors open and close automatically, a signature feature of Rolls-Royce. Moving to the rear, the car's design is equally stunning. The new LED taillights come with a modern pattern that enhances its nighttime presence. Additionally, the bumper has been given a sportier look this time, featuring chrome-finished exhaust pipes. The rear also showcases Rolls-Royce's badge and handcrafted signatures, further highlighting its luxury. The 2025 Rolls-Royce exterior is not just about beauty but also about aerodynamics. Its body structure is designed to minimize air resistance and provide maximum stability. Along with its special, flying carpet suspension, the exterior also contributes to making the ride even more comfortable. Talking about colors, Rolls-Royce continues to offer its bespoke color options, allowing customers to choose any shade they desire. Additionally, a dual-tone paint scheme is also available, adding to its uniqueness. Looking at Rolls-Royce's history, the brand was established in 1904 and has been the king of luxury automobiles ever since. Every model has been a masterpiece of its time, and the 2025 model is no exception. Every minute detail has been carefully crafted, which is why Rolls-Royce is considered one of the finest cars in the world. This was the complete overview of the 2025 Rolls-Royce exterior. How did you find its design? Let us know in the comments. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel Unity Car. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.